Hi guys, today we've got here Honor View 20 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. Start with opening settings, then go to users and accounts at the bottom of settings list and mark add account. Here select Google and now provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And click on next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on next. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, just tap on I agree, more, accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account is added. You can smoothly use it on your device, and whenever you want to remove it, just mark it here and select remove, then confirm it by tapping on remove. And after that, provide your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you have as your screen lock. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.